Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off your Android phone without side button. So there are various ways to turn off your phone without using a side button. Right, so for example, I don't know what you mean by turn off. It could be something like switch off. So to do this switch off, some of the phones have this option. It always have this option here to switch off your phone. If you don't get this option, definitely you can just double tap here on the screen and automatically your phone will get switched off, or basically not switched off, but it will get closed, right? And here sometimes some screen have this option which is called screen lock. So if I tap on it, my phone will get locked, right? So it will be just my phone will be get turned off. Now, if you want to shut down your mobile phone or any of your Android devices, there are only two ways. That basically you will get this option of here in the settings icon. Sometimes in the settings icon you will find this option which is called turn off. You can search for it. If you don't get this option, for example turn off automatically, just go and click on it, right? And here you can just turn it on. So basically it will automatically, your phone will get turned off, and this is the only one way to do it. So it's depending upon which phone you're using. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.